Snowville. It's your boy Skello Mello back with another video. Yeah, we finally got a little sun. But shit, that's all it is a little sun. This shit ain't melting at all. Look at all the snow. Snow. My dog like the snow though. It's this type of shit right here. If he's big enough, I'll have him eat all this shit, cause he eat most of it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let me get out the sun. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. And make sure y'all hit that post notification bell, man. Let me get some likes up on this video. Well, like I say, it ain't nothing but a cold day where I'm at. Sun melting the cars a little bit. Check it out. Just a little bit. My neighbor shit. I cleaned these off yesterday, and they back with snow on them. I shoveled yesterday, you can see. It's still fucked up. Look at this shit. It's crazy out here. I think there's some kids in the back playing somewhere. But yeah, man. Finna go here and clean this truck off. Look at this little bro. Bentley, you finna eat all the snow? You gonna eat all the snow, huh? You gonna eat all the snow? Yes, he is gonna eat all the snow. Yeah, he gonna eat all the snow. Let me set this up. Hopefully I got some balance. Make sure the camera don't fall. Make sure y'all see me. It's still cold as motherfucker out there. When I say let's go, we be ready to go. Probably so. Mike said he is off too. So they cut all our. Okay. Oh, we ain't got no power, y'all. Somebody hit it? That's real crazy. Just in the crib, we got power. Now the neighbors coming out, so we ain't got no power. One thing after another. Let's check it out. I know we ain't got no power. My wife probably gonna come out here. I don't know. Let me see. If I don't hear my doorbell, I know we ain't got no power. Nope, we ain't got no power. Doorbell ain't making no noise. Well, that's that. And one thing they got, I just got out the shower. Well, not too long ago. I'm glad I got in there. Cause shit, now if it ain't no power, that means it ain't no hot water. So, fix this back up, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Ain't nothing much going on, but I'm cleaning my cars off. Ain't nothing much going on, but I'm cleaning my cars off. I ain't have to work today, so I ain't had no reason to come out here and clean them off again. I cleaned them off twice yesterday. Twice. Cleaned the cars off twice yesterday. This shit look like I never did nothing. Man, I was out here yesterday with so many people stuck. Asked me, did I get stuck? Hell no. Well, I did get stuck in the car. Came out in the car first. I thought the car was gonna be able to get me through the snow. I ain't getting no farther than that corner right there. I got to the corner, I got stuck. I took the car out of traction mode and I burnt rubber all the way back to the crib. Then I got in the truck. The truck go right through this shit. I don't know why I ain't getting the truck in the first place, but yeah, the truck got me right through it. Check the truck out. Snowed up, snowed out. Bicycles everywhere, but look at them tires though. Bought them just in time. Whew, bought them just in time. This thing ride over snow like nothing else before, man. That was 2,000 well spent. Well spent. I'm talking about bought them just in time. Some told me to go get them right at the nick of time. Well, my wife said, let's go get them right at the nick of time. Look how that snow caked in the cracks. It gripped the snow like it ain't no snow out here. I'm talking about I was rolled past at least 100 people yesterday. They was in pickups and everything else too. But if you ain't got the right tires on your truck, you gonna get stuck just like a car. Then look back here. It's effed up, man. Look, he like it. It's this type of weather right here. My pug Bentley. It's this type of weather. I was making some tracks yesterday. But my man think he could eat all the snow. Bentley. Brenda. That's your pee, brother. What is you doing? Brenda, you like the snow? Yeah, my boy like that snow. Yeah, it's cold in the motherfucker out here. I ain't gonna lie. The sun out. I appreciate that sun being out, but it ain't doing nothing. Nothing at all. It's so messed up around here. The garbage truck ain't even running. I think they closed the city down, and it's gas stations closed and everything. My man think he can eat all the snow. Let's check him out. It's good, Billy. It's good. It's good. You like that snow, baby boy? You like that snow? My motherfucking hands getting cold. Let me warm my hands up and be back on this video.